Hello and welcome to another update video about Ocean. Ocean has performed really well in recent days and we've had a nice reaction to the support zone. I talked in yesterday's video about the idea that this here is basically from the June low to the December high last year, that this was an A, B, C structure in an A wave. Then this could have been a B wave pullback and we're now in this C wave to the upside. This would be integrated in a larger A wave, which would then lead to another B, C. So essentially this first ABC would just be part of a larger A wave. Okay, so essentially that means we have to be on our toes. Microstructures in corrections can easily change, but we are likely in this, at least that's my current thesis, in the third wave to the upside that could target $2.21 plus. That's sort of an ideal target for a third wave. Can always go higher. Fifth wave should then take us to 325 plus. I think it would be reasonable to assume $4 plus range actually, but it will depend on how the subwave structures are developing. Okay, so the idea is obviously that we have here a fourth wave pullback that might be unfolding right now, because in circle wave C that we have on the chart here, we are, first of all, watching for the price to get into this region here around 88 to 95 cents, probably rather 95. And we so far can only see 3 waves up from the low point that was formed in January. So I've got a wave 1, I've got a wave 2, I've got a wave 3. It could even be that this third wave gets one more high, all right? But then the microstructure is really not clear. I mean, I could, if I wanted to, count another 1-2 setup here. Now, is it reliable? Not really. I would rather, and it doesn't make a difference. That's why I just give you support. So even if the third wave gets another high, see, as long as the support level is holding, this basically tells you the risk, 56 cents. The focus is on higher prices. And this third wave, yeah, surely it might have topped. I think it might actually get one more high. Let me show you how. Because it could be that this third is still unfolding, but it would really not have a major impact on the support region. So I'd rather leave it a little lower to account for both scenarios instead of making it complicated. So it would be this. Just giving us one more high basically here. Yeah, because this is more reliable. I mean, this looks more clearly like 5 waves in wave 3, right? And then we should still get a 4 and 5. And if we get that one more extension in wave 3, I will just have to adjust the support region together with the price. Either way, doesn't make a difference to me. So I'd rather keep it simple and tell you that the main support area, which has been reached, by the way, anyway. So maybe I shift it over here to the left. So support is between 56 and 58 cents. Bear in mind, we talk here about a change in scenario if the price breaks below that 50% fib level. Be aware as well that it probably depends a little bit on which exchange you're looking at. And it also needs to be a sustained break below 56 cents. So if we don't get that sustained break, then it might simply be, okay, look, we just have a deep wave 4, which however isn't invalidating anything, and an immediate recovery. Even though ideally a fourth wave doesn't even go below 56 cents. Yeah, ideally it doesn't even go below 61, to be honest, because the 38.2 fib level there is typically an ideal target for wave 4. And it's holding well, so it's looking good, you know. Structure looks corrective at the moment to the downside. And yeah, I'm leaning towards further upside. I gave you the upside target. The next one, I cannot really give you a more precise target. You know, once we have the wave 4 in place, I can use that information to calculate more precisely, possibly, a target for wave 5. So yeah, that's my update about Ocean. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.